Hi everyone, so today I am back with a haul from Wholesale Supplies Plus. I just opened the box here, but I haven't really peeked into it because I wanted to show y'all what I got as I get it. So I got 2 bags of stearic acid. This is their 5-pound bag. It's quite a lot, but stearic acid is fairly inexpensive. And that is what I use for my shave soaps. See what else we got here. So I did order some jojoba beads because I do want to do a face scrub. So I got 2 of the white ones. Let me scoot this box over a little bit more so y'all can see. So we just got 2 of the white jojoba beads, and those are 2 ounces each, which 2 ounces of those goes pretty far. And then we did get some fragrance oils here, and they always pack their fragrance oils very well. I'm assuming these egg carton looking dealy thingies are what they get them in, and then they just reuse them and tape them up with, I'm assuming this is blue electrical tape. Alright, so we got Cinnabon fragrance oil. We've got the Fruit Loops fragrance oil. And then we got the pomegranate orange cider, which I must have had a thing for pomegranate ciders when I made this order, and then I did make a order for Candle Science and got a bunch of their samples because I ordered a pomegranate cider one with that too. So we'll see how they smell. We may be mixing them. I don't know. We'll see. Now with that one, I just got a lot of the little 1-ounce fragrances, so I'm not going to be doing a haul for that one. Just because y'all don't want to be sitting here watching me smell things all day. So we'll just show you those as I make the soaps. What I'm planning on doing is doing 1-pound batches of each, which will yield about 4 bars, but I always keep one for myself just to test it. And then I will be having limited edition sales in my group. So if you're not a part of my group, definitely sign up for that. It's my Facebook group. The link will be down below. So I just wanted to smell these for you. This is the Cinnabon. Yep, that smells exactly like you would think it would. And then the Fruit Loops, I've gotten this one before. It smells, again, exactly like you think it would. And let's try this one. This is a pomegranate orange cider. We'll have to see what that one does in soap. Right now I'm actually smelling alcohol with this one. So we'll see what that one does in soap. I'm not getting a lot of orange or pomegranate or the spice. I'm just getting kind of a sweet alcohol fragrance. So we'll see what that one does in soap. But I just want to try it. So that's why I just got the little 2-ounce bottle. And they had their, they may still have them, but they had their bakery scents on sale. I think they were like 25% off. So I just wanted to get a few of them. And let me see here. Yep, that was it. So short and sweet haul. I just wanted to get a few things. I needed some stearic acid, so I figured I'd add these other things in here. So yeah, again, thank you for watching. If you liked my videos, please subscribe. I have loads and loads of plans to do some soap videos for y'all. If there's anything that you ever want to see, please leave a comment below and I will do my best to show that. So yeah, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.